Hi there, I'm Shelley and Sep's behind the camera.
Hey.
And today we're going to try the cement. It's going to be a pour cement. We're going to make these vases. I haven't ever done it before, so let's see if it works. On the instructions it tells me I need 650 grams of this cement mix. I also need to go with it 117 millilitres of water. It says on the instructions around 18 millilitres per 100 grams. And then I've taken the moulds and I've wet them a little bit. So the vases in the moulds are now ready to come out. They've been sitting here for just over 2 hours and I'm going to be surprised how they come out, if it all works. What I do have to notice is that in the instructions it says you need 650 grams of powder, of the cement powder, but actually I used at the end 700 because I actually run out a little bit on the small one. So now I'm going to unpack them, see if everything's okay, and if that's so, then I'm going to plant them with some nice spring plants. So here you see me taking the vases out of the moulds, and as you can see, the small one and also the middle one come out quite well out of the form. When it came then for me to do the large one, I found it a little bit difficult at first and a little bit hard on the fingers, but eventually I managed to get a grip. And then the final end was a little bit tight and I had to pull really hard to get the mould out. So I also like the finish on it. It's really nice and shiny. So I think I can do them again or use the material again. That was the 5-in-1 cement. Now I'm just going to plant all 3 ready for Easter. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the film. Bye bye.